Dubai real estate market is going to see a dip of 15 to 20% in coming 2 years. Are you concerned about the same questions? Let's clear the air. Those numbers don't reflect the reality we are seeing in Dubai every single day. Let me explain why. So the Fitch report says the market might dip because lots of homes are expected to be completed, about 206,000 units over the next 2 years. But here's the truth. Last year, the population growth was actually 5.93%, and just in the first 3 months of 2025, over 90,000 people moved to Dubai. That's around 1,000 new residences every single day. But we are not heading for 5%. We are expected to close to 10% growth this year. And about the homes being delivered, let's be real. Every year, only 30 to 40% of projected homes actually get handed over. Many projects are delayed by a year or two. So out of the 206,000 units they are talking about, maybe half will be really ready on time. So let's talk about demand. It's not just big families are moving in, a lot of people come here alone or as couples. So when you look at those numbers, we actually need 70,000 homes every year just for the new people coming in. And that doesn't even count all the current renters who are buying now, or all the landlords switching to short-term rentals and Airbnbs, which reduce rental supply even more. So here is the kick. While all these noise was happening, headlines, tariffs, Fitch reports, the Dubai market was breaking its own records. Between March 1 and May 24, we had over 1,000 property deals happening every single day, with a total daily transaction value of 3.5 billion dirhams. Last year, which was our best year ever, the average was 856 deals a day. So yes, we are actually up 19% transactions and 22% in value, not down. So to everyone who has been asking if they should hold back, just don't. If you wait 6 months hoping for a dip, you might end up paying 12 to 15% more instead. So if you need more insights about Dubai property market, feel free to contact us at Fluence Properties.